Hello, my name is Brenes, and I will be presenting on microservices architecture. By 2026, the old way of building software, one giant monolith, is cracking under pressure. The future belongs to microservices, small independent services that scale, deploy, and evolve on their own. Organizations adopting this approach are seeing 31% higher team productivity and 28% faster time to market. If you are still running a monolith in 2026, then this video is for you. Microservices are exactly what they sound like: small focused services, each owning its own database, communicating through APIs or events, and managed by autonomous teams. The payoff is huge. You get independent scaling, fault isolation, so one failure doesn't bring everything down. But let's be honest, it's not magic. You also get distributed complexity, network latency, data inconsistency challenges, and higher operational overhead. So who are the winners in 2026? Those who understand both sides and design intentionally. So how do all these services actually work together? You get two main patterns. Orchestration, which is a central conductor that tells every service exactly what to do, great for complex multi-step processes where you need full visibility and control. Choreography is the other one, which is event-driven and decentralized. Services react to event published by others. And maximum scalability and loose coupling is what you get, but you need excellent observability. Most mature systems in 2026 use a smart hybrid approach. Compare that to the old monolith, which is one code base, all or nothing deployments, and one failure that can take the whole thing down. Microservices flip the script, but only if you choose the right coordination pattern for your workflow. Here's what a production-grade microservices setup actually looks like in 2026. Clients hit an API gateway for routing, security, and rate limiting. Behind it, you get your services, each with its own database. Event brokers power choreography, workflow engines handle complex orchestration. Everything runs on the service mesh for traffic management and security. And you can't succeed without rock-solid observability, plus automated CI, CD, and service discovery. This is the full stack that makes microservices reliable and scalable. Don't just take my word for it. Netflix runs 701,000 microservices and delivers almost 100% uptime to hundreds of millions of users. Amazon built its entire empire and Amazon Web Services on this architecture, and Uber scaled to 2,000 services across 600 cities. The trend: smart hybrid adoption, not microservices everywhere. So when should you go microservices? Well, ask yourself the questions. Do you have a complex domain, multiple teams that need autonomy, variable or high traffic? Or do you need technology diversity? If so, go microservices. Choose orchestration for complex workflows, choreography for maximum scale, or hybrid for most real-world cases. If you don't, then stay with a well-structured monolith or modular monolith. Microservices architecture has matured into a proven yet demanding paradigm. When implemented with intention, balancing autonomy with coordination and ambition with operational discipline, it delivers measurable gains in productivity, speed, and resilience. However, success is not guaranteed by technology alone. What fascinates me the most about microservices is the contrast that it creates between independence and interdependence. On one hand, we break everything into tiny autonomous pieces so that we can move fast without stepping on each other. But on the other hand, we immediately have to invent sophisticated new ways to make those pieces talk reliably to each other. Even more compelling in 2026 is how AI and automation is coming into the picture. We're beginning to see autonomous agents that can manage service discovery, load balancing, failure recovery, and even suggest service boundaries. Thank you very much.